Okay, Organic Home said that London, please upload for tummy fat, okay, and upload for especially for women how to reduce, how they can reduce their tummy fat. It's okay, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. Don't worry, Organic Home. और जी सब अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा और इंशाल्लाह we will meet soon again with a new recipe and with the new day and with new life. The weather is outstanding and beautiful outside, really beautiful weather. बहुत मज़े का weather है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत weather है माशाल्लाह. और जो है ना स्काई, आसमान बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है, ख़ासतौर पर फजर टाइम. मैं फजर टाइम जब सूरज निकल होता है मैं दिल कर रहा था मैं लाइव आके दिखाऊँ द ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स इन द स्काई. इतने खूबसूरत कलर थे और वो मतलब वो इतना को अमेजिंग था ना वो, रियली माशाल्लाह. It's hard but not impossible to look good. You have to sacrifice. Yes, you have to sacrifice for a lot of things to look good. Yes, that's why I'm not eating this. I'm sacrificing this, and I will eat. I'm showing you what I will eat. Where my cereal going? Look, you have to say no to this and yes to this. I will eat this and have this because I will not make my own food, and I'm going to have this now. Look, I sacrificed a lot of things to look good. अच्छा look good अपने लिए लगना है, किसी के नहीं लगना. तो जब when you look good you feel confident. ठीक है, आप confident होते हो तो confident रहने के लिए you have to sacrifice so many things. लाइक जैसे मैंने अभी शोरमा सेक्रीफाइस किया, मैंने चखा भी नहीं है आप लोगों के सामने, मैं चखूँगी भी नहीं, ठीक है. और लुक एट दिस हार्ट, healthy heart. Look at this. Muesli, nuts, fruits and flakes and with natural yogurt and fresh or frozen berries. आप इसके साथ ले सकते हैं with chilled milk. I like with chilled milk. With warm milk, I don't like warm milk. With natural yogurt and fruit puree, I don't like to have this in yogurt. No. And British style. I don't know British style. Do you know about British style? ये British style क्या होता है? Workout, you know about British style, I think, huh? I sacrifice the chicken. I sacrifice the chicken. I sacrifice the chicken. I sacrifice lasagna. I sacrifice cheese. I sacrifice a lot of sauces to look good. And I'm going to have this one. And actually, I'm going to make a bowl in front of you guys, huh? तो आप लोग मुझसे इंस्पायर हो. Get inspirational from me also, huh? How to look good and sacrifice chicken. Chicken and sacrifice chicken. Okay, I'm going to make a healthy bowl of cereal in front of you guys. Look at this ball, cereal ball, chilled milk, okay, because I like chilled milk. I don't like warm milk, okay, and I don't like yogurt in it. And this. Fashion रोशनी कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. And it's all done. No, it's not done. I'm going to add banana and apple and I'm going to make it more healthy. I'm going to make it more healthy. Look at this. I'm going to add banana in it. Oh no. Banana is not good here. Banana is not good in my fridge. Look at my bananas. Color of the bananas, but inside is fine. Okay, you can use this banana here. Use the food knife. Okay, add banana. I make it more healthier. I just come here. I'm coming back. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Banana. I'm going to save